Welcome to the captivating world of Andaman dolphins. Native to the picturesque Andaman and Nicobar Islands of India, these aquatic acrobats are known for their playful demeanor and swift swimming prowess. The real charm of the Andaman dolphin lies in their marine acrobatics, with a distinctive leaping style that's a spectacle in itself. Sadly, these dolphins are vulnerable, facing threats from marine pollution and human activities. Since ancient times, they've held a distinctive presence in the Indian Ocean, a fact echoed in the illustrated inscriptions of King Krishna Devaraya of Vijayanagara. Preferring solitude, they delve into the sea's depths in search of food. But their dwindling numbers raise alarm, emphasizing the need for robust conservation efforts. It's our collective responsibility to protect these magnificent marine mammals, ensuring their continued presence for future generations to admire.